The coming of the computerized coin, AMP, in the year 2020 is a huge commitment by DeFi to the whole world, in spite of prevalent thinking. Not on the grounds that there are very few late players during the pandemic, but since not fundamentally many have decided to work from an alternate organization out and out. Standing a class separated as far as beginning and execution, AMP is known to run on Flexa network, collateralizing installments as a computerized token. Likewise, there is a nitty-gritty AMP price prediction referenced here incredibly. A definitive goal of this token being unequivocally something similar to ensure exchanges and inborn information, making them kind of more moment and secure. Based on the Ethereum blockchain as per the ERC-20 standard for tokens, AMP provides clients with the comfort of trading in fiat or some other advanced monetary standards. What makes AMP unique? Flexa organization's local symbolic AMP has made moment installment approvals conceivable, stopping the course of exchanges in an unpretentious manner. It is to the client's honor that they can stake and insure on any type of significant worth trade, explicitly be it advanced installments, government-issued money trade, credit disseminations, property deals, and the sky is the limit from there. A devoted class of specialists and financial backers has an AMP, the organization's local Really token co-created by Flexa organization and consensus. A thought that changed into a progressive ERC-20 token making waves on the AMP crypto trade and truly such comparable innovations. Going by the specialized examination, AMP cost has had a notable journey since its send-off, which could be the principal justification for its fame. The ongoing cost of AMP remains at $0.05174, with a market cap of $2,182,644,204.40. The 24 hours exchanging volume of AMP coin remains at $96,102,579.91 with a coursing supply of 42,227,702,186 AMP. In view of verifiable information, the coin most certainly has begun its excursion at $0.0095, and it supported this cost level till February 2021. Afterward, it enlisted an unexpected spike and crossed $0.039 in an unobtrusive manner. From that point forward, it for the most part kept on exchanging decently till June. On June 16, AMP recorded an untouched high of $0.1211. Notwithstanding, from that point forward, the coin denoted a sharp drop and retested to $0.039. In light of our AMP cost expectations, a drawn-out increment is normal. The cost visualization for 2026 is $0.230. With a 5-year venture, the income of AMP digital currency is supposed to be around plus 510.13%, which is genuinely huge. Toward the start of December 2022, the AMP cost may be around $0.078 according to our AMP conjecture. Most extreme cost $0.078, least cost $0.065. The typical AMP cost for the month will be around $0.072. AMP conjecture toward the month's end is $0.070. The cost of AMP is anticipated to reach at least degree of $0.075 in the principal half of 2022. Amazingly, the AMP cost can arrive at an especially greatest degree of $0.088 with a typical cost of $0.078 all through 2022. AMP cost began in 2022 at $0.042. Today, the truly current cost of AMP sort of is exchanged at $0.05178, so the cost expanded by 16.16% from the very start of the year. The determined really normal AMP cost expectations toward the finish of 2022 is $0.2581. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 169%. In the main portion of 2023, the AMP cost will move to $0.1015. In the exact moment a portion of the cost would be $0.2435 and constantly, and it would in a real sense be $0.2931. AMP has been protecting its ongoing position well against the market-wide instability. Starting from the main portion of 2022, the AMP coin cost will see numerous bullish position, which really are higher than the past one. In the present moment to midterm situation for our AMP coin cost expectation 2022, the normal AMP cost examination needs to break past the retracement level at $0.095. Our very long-haul AMP figure is bullish. Much more, it certainly has a high chance of arriving at another unequaled high this year. The vertical pattern has been anticipated absolutely on the benefits of AMP viz. Security and reliability. AMP is a computerized guarantee token that offers certain confirmations collateralization for a steam move in a sort of significant manner. A further effect on costs for this guarantee token can truly be seen in view of the inflow of assets by monetary establishments and essentially security token financial backers in the drawn-out amazingly crypto positions as one of the especially top 50 digital currencies, and with this it will certainly arrive at new levels. AMP price prediction 2022. There is no certain shot digital currency estimate for any of the current AMP crypto coins, thus for AMP figure. Taking into account the verifiable information and digital money markets, AMP is good to go to especially certify areas of strength for it has a significant fascination among its clients, accomplices, and merchants local area. AMP might support an inspirational perspective concerning all goals and purposes long as the cost exchanges with commonly numerous bullish moves. The street ahead is brimming with pedals gave the speculation counsel or certainty continues blasting, bringing about a significant push to the cost, taking it to cross all boundaries scaling $0.097. AMP price prediction 2023. AMP has laid out a quick, dependable environment and worked with the client experience of the item, which is very huge. These highlights can in every practical sense, assist the AMP with begetting gain and especially greater cost of 11 cents per coin. On the off chance that the drive for utilitarian AMP crypto world go on into 2023, the AMP cost might try and see a worldview rush. What's more, consequently, as per AMP's cost forecast 2023, it will be productive to put cash in AMP at the ongoing cost to acquire great return in the future, as a matter of fact. AMP price prediction 2024. Many theories are going ahead for AMP, particularly keeping in context the specialized headways and blasting areas of progress the corporate has plans on. There is an estimate that the